This exact video that you're seeing right now has made over $35,000 in less than 30 days. That's literally insane. And no, this has nothing to do with the TikTok creativity program. TikTok Shop Affiliate is the newest way to make money online by creating videos about products and selling them without even owning those products. Take a look at this page, for example. All of their content has been generated with AI. And let me give you an example of what this looks like.
If a man only ate shilajit for 2 weeks, this is what might happen to his body. After 24 hours, his testosterone levels may boost.
So that is crazy, right? This video got over 1.3 million views. And if we take a look at Kalo data, then we can see that this has generated over 80k in revenue. And that left me wondering, because I have some experience with creating videos with AI. I wanted to see if I can give myself an advantage by generating those videos with the help of AI. And let's see if I can do that in less than 10 minutes. Here's the plan. First, I want to figure out what the best way is to do product research so I can make viral content about it. If I don't do this right, then I can basically end the video right. Second, I want AI to generate the entire script for me. If I were to do this myself, then this will take me hours. And lastly, I want to figure out the fastest way to create these videos with AI. As far as my knowledge, it is really time consuming to create these videos with AI. But before we do that, I need to do some product research, and I've actually got no idea how to do it. So let me watch a few YouTube videos for this. This is Alex Kramer, and all of his content is about the TikTok shop. So I dove into his videos and here's what I found out. The key is finding a product that will go viral as fuck. First, he suggests to go into the live tab on TikTok and see what others are promoting. You should do this for around 30 minutes. However, after a couple minutes of me trying, I felt like my brain was going brain dead. I had to find another way. So the second method is to use Kalo data. So this is Kalo data. Here you can find what all the other creators are selling on TikTok. For example, this person over here is selling like these water flossers. And like with all their products, they made over 500k. And that's also within a really short amount of time. So on Kalo data, I'm looking around to see what kind of pattern is going on. And what I'm noticing is we see the CMOS going on. We see this supplement that's coming up a lot. And I also checked out, like here we have the CMOS again. We also have the shilajit. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing it wrong. But we see like these supplements are doing pretty good. So after doing some research, I came up with an entire document of channels that are promoting these supplements and also all these supplements listed that people are promoting. If you want to have access to it, then I will leave a link for that in the description down below. These are the 3 supplements that we will be promoting in this video. So first up, Lion's Mane. I don't even know what it does, but it just sounds cool. Then we have CMOS, then we have the Himalayan shilajit resin, and lastly you can also do vitamin D, but that doesn't sound as cool. So I'm just gonna keep the first 3 that I named. So later in this video I will show you exactly how to generate our entire video with the help of AI, but first we need to generate our script with ChatGPT. And here comes a problem, because to my knowledge, most of these scripts are written out by humans. Just take a look at this script, for example.
My girlfriend hasn't taken her hands off me since I started taking this. And honestly, I'm starting to get scared. If you're a man and want the same problem, then listen carefully to the next.
So, yeah, that is an insane script. Let's see if we can have ChatGPT make this for us. So I want you to meet my custom TikTok shop AI writer, aka Dance Bitch. And here's how it works. All we have to do is we type in the product that we have. So let's do CMOS, for example. And now all we have to do is press enter and it literally starts writing the script that we want to have. Now I made this using the custom GPT bot. So if I type here and I click edit GPT, I've entered in a bunch of instruction. I've even uploaded a document of examples. And here you can literally just type in any product. So let's do, for example, Lion's Mane. And it will give us a script like instantly. While this is generating the scripts for us, it took me a while to make this, and if you want to have this for yourself, then make sure to sign up for my newsletter where you can get access to this bot. Now that we have our script ready, we can start editing our video with AI. So these are the 5 steps that go into creating a video with AI. First off, we have to take our script and run it into 11 Labs. This will generate our voiceover. Then what we have to do next is we have to take parts of our script, make images about it in Leonardo AI, and then after we have made like 30 images for like one video, then we can animate them using Runway AI. Now, after that, we have to put the entire thing together, and we do that through either CapCut or Premiere Pro. And after everything is together, we add some captions on there, and we do that using Submagic. Those are a lot of steps, so be prepared if you're gonna do it that way. This will also cost you around $200 in terms of like subscriptions. I don't know about you guys, but there must be another way for this. So I did some digging, and then on Discord I met this crazy AI developer. This dude, we have been chatting for a while now, and he is the owner of a tool that is called ShortX. And this tool will do the entire process in a heartbeat. Now, it's actually insane, and because we have been chatting so long, he actually told me like, if you're gonna create a video about this, you will get a 20% discount for everyone that uses your promo code. So if you use the code DAN20, you can actually get a bit of a discount when you're using this. Now here we have ShortX, and we will be using this to create crazy videos like this one, for example.
Think your body's an unsinkable ship? Titanic thought so too until it hit the iceberg. Don't let deficiency be your iceberg.
Now that's crazy, right? It has done this entire process, like generating the AI voice, transcribing the audio, it has made the visual, it has generated the images, it has assembled everything, all with AI, and it takes like less than 2 minutes to do so. So here's exactly how that works. So once you have your credits, you can choose a template. It doesn't really matter, but I'd like to use this historical one. Then in here we have a bunch of input information that we need to put in there. Now we can use their AI prompt transcript, but I'd like to use our own transcript. So I'm gonna use the transcript that I have from ChatGPT. And now here we have our transcript. I'm gonna copy that, put it into this right here, and make sure to always check your transcript, by the way. The way I've made it, it should work directly, but sometimes you might want to make some changes. Now we can change some things in the images, and this is actually a bit tricky. We can here give it some custom image style prompts. So here I'm gonna give it some information. So I'm gonna say 4K cinematic, and then the after prompt will be colorful. Now next up is the voice that we can choose. We have actually voices from 11 Labs. I personally like this Drew one, or Clyde, or the Marcus one. So let me just see what this one sounds like. Clyde is as followed.
I'd rather regret the things that I've done than the things that I've not done.
So yeah, that sounds a bit mysterious. Now we can change the editing recipe. I'm always gonna do like 2 lines per caption. I don't want to have them too big, so I'm gonna change the font size to something smaller, change the characters per line, and then also make it all cap. Now we can change the effects with the particles. We can add a wobble. I'll just leave those on. And next up, we can also change our music. So once you're happy with your setup, then you just click on Run Automation. And this will cost you like 100 credits per use. So I believe you can actually make this for a few dollars each time.
Later.
Our video is now done, and here's what it sounds like.
Ever feel like your brain's in a fog thicker than grandma's pea soup? Wake up, because lion's mane is your brain's new best friend. This funky fungus isn't just a gourmet treat. It's like rocket fuel for your noggin. Struggling with memory? Lion's mane. Can't focus? Lion's mane. Want to boost that brain power until you're outsmarting your smart devices? You guessed it, lion's mane. And guess where you can find this magical mushroom?
Yeah, this is literally insane. And to prove you that I'm not the only one making this, like, let me show you a few examples of people that are making money with these videos. This entire page has made those exact same style videos, and if we take a look at Kalo data, then they have made over 25k in 30 days. So that is literally insane. Now, as I'm recording this, I will write out an entire document that contains all the information that you need to create your own ChatGPT bot, to generate your videos using ShortX with custom prompts, and then also how you can promote it on TikTok. I will leave all the research, everything that I've done in that document, and all I'm asking in return is that you subscribe to my page. So if you want to try out ShortX for yourself, then use the code DAN20. This will give you a 20% discount. And if you want to see more videos about AI, then check the video that's on the screen right now.